Today, let us learn about the lesson My Body. Our body is a wonderful gift of nature. It has many parts. These help us in many ways. We have already studied about all these parts of the body in second standard. Let us once have a quick check on what we already know. Here are the parts of the body: head, hair, cheek, nose, mouth, jaw, ear, eye, neck, shoulder, chest, elbow, hand, finger, stomach, heel, toes, arms, knee, foot, toe, etc. All these are the different parts of our body. Every part of our body perform its own function. See, our body works like a machine. If you observe any machine which is having different parts, if all the parts of the machine work in a proper way, then only the machine works properly. Like that, in our body, the parts, when they work properly, when they do their function properly, then only we'll be healthy and our body works properly. So, if any part of our body it get any problem, when it gets any problem, then will be not will not be healthy. If you want to be healthy, every part of our body should work properly. See, when you find the parts of the body which are found in our head, see, eyes, ears, mouth, jaw, nose, etc. All these are the parts of the body which we can observe in our head. Inside the head, some more parts of the body will be there, but if you see the organs which we can see from outside in our head, those are eyes, ears, mouth, nose, etc. So, these parts, eyes, ears, mouth, nose. In the mouth we find tongue, and our body fully it will be covered by skin. So these parts, they help us to sense various things which are present around us. These parts are called sense organs. So in this lesson, let us discuss about the sense organs which will work in our body. The first and foremost sense organ of our body which we are discussing today is tongue. When you find the structure of the tongue, it has four different types of taste buds. If you go in front of the mirror and if you observe, we find small, very small bud-like structures on our tongue. Those are called taste buds. There are four main different types of taste buds on our tongue. The first one is sweet bud, which is present in the front portion of the tongue. Salt and sour buds are present on the sides of the tongue, and the bitter buds are present at the back of the tongue. So, for example, Neha's sister has prepared a nice dish for her. When Neha put some of it on her mouth, she found that there was no salt in that. How can she find that there was no salt in that dish? Because these taste buds which are present on our tongue, they are helpful to recognize the taste. When you put any sweet, sour substance, salty substance, bitter substance, anything, if you find on our tongue, we can find the respective taste of that particular food item. This tongue helps us to know the taste of different food items, and it is very sensitive. and it helps us to find out various flavors present in different food items. Our tongue has different parts which are sensitive to different tastes. I told already there will be small bud-like structures on our tongue. Those are called taste buds. Our tongue has 3000 taste buds on it, and it is the strongest muscle but very sensitive, and its length is 10 centimeters. When you observe the assignment for the part 1 which you learn now, the first one is for 1, 2 are the blanks. We have dash sense organs we find in our body. That number you write. Our dash is sensitive to different tastes. Name the different types of taste and draw the diagram of tongue showing all its taste buds. So you complete this assignment. You have listened the lesson already. So complete this assignment. Thank you.